Happy morning, children. Today we are going to start our revision of our first unit onwards, since we are going to start our classwork writing. Yes, I hope that all are having your classwork in your hand. So take your classwork. First you have to put the cover. So cover it and see the index page. Index first, write your name, then start Roman letter 1 and unit 1 with a date. Okay, children, then take the first page in your classwork and start write the tables. Usually we will write the tables in the first 3 pages. So similarly you have to write the tables. Since we need to do the sums in the multiplication and division, we have to know the tables. It is must dear, so you write the tables. Start from a 2, 3, 4. Only 3 tables in 1 page. So 2, 3, 4. Next 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's it. So you have to write the tables in the first 3 pages. Then turn the page. Start write the first unit. Unit 1 place value. Then the content. I will show the content in the video now. You have to copy the content. Then we will start the exercises. See here, children. This is our new book. So in your book we are having, in our content we have 2 terms. The first term and the second term. So we already completed the 4 units. Now we are going to start our first unit revision and the classwork writing. So see the first unit, place value system. So in this place value we have a warm up section. Usually we will start with the jump start here. No, this is the warm up section. Yes, we are going to learn the warm up section what we learnt in the 3rd standard syllabus. So before starting our classwork, I said that we have to write the content in the first unit. See here, first unit place value. That place value content up to 5-digit number we are going to learn. So already we know that a 4-digit number. Now we are going to learn about a 5-digit number. Next, number name. So number name of the numbers up to 5 digit. Next, expanded form and the short form. Place value and face value. Next, comparing of our numbers. Next, forming. So we can form the greatest and the smallest number using the given digits. Next, round of numbers. Round of numbers up to 10, 100 and 1000. Finally, we have a Roman numbers. So these are all the contents we are going to learn in the first unit, children. So before starting our exercise, we will go to the warm-up section. Take your book, all of you, and page number 3. So in the page number 3, we have one warm-up section. So we can start the warm-up section now.
Warm-up section, first one. Write the correct numbers on the kite shown below. First question is 4689. They given the number name, we need to write the number. Second question, 3000 plus 4 hundreds plus 2 tens plus 6 ones. They given the expanded form, we need to write the short form for that. 3426. Third question, 9000 plus 900 plus 90 plus 9. They given the expanded form, we need to write the short form, 9999. Next, fourth question, 89 round off to the nearest tens. We know that round off numbers nearest to tens means we need to underline the ones place number. Ones place number, if it is equal to 5 or more than 5, we need to add 1 with the tens place number. Here tens place number is 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So we have the answer of 90. So 89 is round off nearest to tens value is 90. Next, fifth question. 1000 more than 7562. So they are asking us to add the 1000. So 7562 plus 1000. We'll get the answer of 8562. One more 1000 if you are adding 9562. Next one is 10,562. Next 11,562. Next 12,562. B question, fill in the blanks with the help from the clouds. In the clouds they given some numbers. We are going to use this number and going to fill the blanks. First question is the place value of 8 in 1876 is, so underline the 8 in the place of hundreds. So 800 is the correct answer. Second question, the smallest 4-digit number formed using the digits 7, 0, 1 and 5 is 1057. Correct. Next, third question, dash is the predecessor of 1001. We know predecessor means the before number. So 1001 before number is 1000. Next, fourth question, the value of a digit increases dash times with each step moves on the left. So each place value, when we are going with the ones place, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. So each step, the 10 times they are increasing or decreasing. So here we are moving to left side, they are saying. So it is increasing by 10. Next, fifth question, the biggest number among 8,811, 1,188, 1,881 is, we know that which is the biggest number here, 8,000 something. So 8,811 is the answer. So children, we completed the warm-up section in page number 3. Now you take page number 4. In your book, page number 4, they given a small story about a 5-digit number. Two students are talking each other. First student is asking, do you know the name of the player who was the first to make 10,000 runs in test cricket? So next student is answering, Sunil Gavaskar. Is 10,000 is the 5-digit number? So he is asking the question. Next student is answering, yes, you are right. So 10,000 is the smallest 5-digit number. That is 4-digit largest number is 9,999. When we add 1 with that, we will get the 10,000. 10,000 is the smallest 5-digit number. So they given a mental mark sums here. Circle the 5-digit number. So 1,546, it's a 4-digit number. So count the number. If it is 5-digit, you have to put a circle. If it is a less than 5-digit, you have to leave the number. So first number is a 4-digit number. Second one is a 5-digit. You can put the circle. Third one is a 4-digit. Fourth one is a 4-digit. Next, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. All the numbers are a 5-digit number. You can put a circle. In book page number 5, one more mental mark sums is given here. Before that, you should know the place value of a 5-digit number. So see here, the example is given here. Ones, tens, thousand, 10,000. It's the place value of a number. Here one smaller example is given, 76,125. So 5 in the ones place. So we can write 5. 2 tens. 2 in the place of a tens, we can write 20. Hundreds place, only one number is there, 100 or 100. Thousands place, we have a 6 thousands. So we can write 6,000. 7 in the place of 7, 10,000. So we can write 70,000. This is the place value chart. So coming to the mental mark sums, circle the number in which the period of are marked correctly. So we know that where to put the comma. So start from ones place, ones, tens, 100, comma, 1,000, 10,000, comma. Similarly, you have to put the commas. So here the first number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So starting from the ones, tens, 100, after 1,000 only they will put comma. So it is not an answer. So we need to mark only the correct commas. that is 41,380. 1 tens 100, comma. So you can put a circle. Next number also 39, comma is there. So for first, last two number, comma, it's not a right one. Next 99,000, comma 999. It's a right answer. Next one is 100, comma 00. So it is also wrong one. Next one is 67,000, comma 890. It is also correct one. So I hope that you people will understand about a place value, then where to put the comma now. Children, in your book page number 6, we have checkpoint sums are there. So these sums you have to copy in the homework note. Like your classwork note, you have to take your homework note, write the index page, and coming to the first page itself, you can start write the answer. First page, write the date, topic, unit 1 place value system, and page number. Page number is must. You can mention the page number for a further reference. Page number 6. And start write the answer from first. First question is, look at the abacus and write the number. Draw the abacus and write the place value system and write the number using your ruler. So draw neatly. First abacus they given ones place number 5 beats are there, tens place number 2 beats, hundreds place number 3 beats, 1000 place no beats at all, 10,000 place 4 beats. So the answer will be 40,325. So similarly, second question and third question also we can do. Coming to B question. B1 represents these numbers on the abacus. They given the number. We are going to draw the abacus. Using your ruler, write the place value chart and draw neatly the abacus and draw the beats. Ones place you have to draw 6 beats. Tens place 2 beats. 100 place no beats. 1000 place 7 beats. And 10,000 place 4 beats. Similarly, you can do for a second, third and fourth sum. Coming to C question. Mark the periods using comma and write in words. First write the question. 36,382. Put the comma. So 36, 382. So we mark the period. Then write the number name. 36,000 THIRTY 36 SIX 1000 THOUSAND 1000 300 THREE 300 HUNDRED 100 80 EIGHTY 82 TWO. Next question is D question. Write the expanded form. They given a short form. We need to write the expanded form. 42,981. 40,000 plus 2,000 plus 900 plus 80 plus 1. Next equation. Write the standard form. They given an expanded one. We need to write the standard one. So for 53,453. These questions A to E equation you have to copy in the homework note, children. In page number 7, we have an introduction of a 6-digit numbers. Two students are talking each other. One boy is asking, I know that 99,999 is the largest 5-digit number. What is 99,999 plus 1? The next student is answering the question 99,999 plus 1. We'll get 1 lakh. It is the smallest 6-digit number. So, greatest, that is largest 5-digit number is 99,999. Smallest 6-digit number is 1 lakh. So, mental mark sums is there. You can circle the 6-digit number. You can do it in the book itself. No need to copy in the classwork as well as in the homework note. Mental math sums alone you can do it in the book itself. So first question is 1,54,612. So children, when you want to find out number of digits, you can put a comma over there. You can easily identify the number of digits. So first one you can put a circle. Second one, there are 5 digits are there. So no need to put a circle. Next, the third one, 9,99,999. You can put a circle. Fourth one, 47,001. It is a 5-digit number. So next question is 4,80,127. It's a 6-digit number. You can put a circle. Next is 7,003. It is a 4-digit number. Coming to the next question, 6,90,127. So you can put a circle. This is also a 6-digit number. Coming to the next sum. In book page number 9, one more mental math sums is given. This one you have to mark the period and the number you have to read aloud. This is the question they given. So first you should know to put the comma. Where to put the comma? Ones, tens, 100. From right to left you have to count from ones place onwards. Ones, tens, 100, comma, 1,000, 10,000, comma, lakhs. So read the number now. 3,45,671. Coming to the second question. 1, 43, 812. How to read? 1,43,812. Third question. 9, 37, 812. How to read? 9,37,812. Next question. 4, 83, 200. So 4,83,200. Next 3, 79, 812. 3,79,812. In page number 9, one more checkpoint is given. This also you have to write in your homework note. Let me explain the questions and you can write in a homework note. First one is represents these numbers in the abacus. We know to draw the abacus. See the example in the same page itself. We have a abacus board over here. So write the place value chart and draw the abacus board using the ruler and mention the number of beats. Second B question, mark the period using commas and write in words. Let me explain. A question represent in abacus. Children, you have to draw the abacus board like this. Write the place value in that above and draw the beats and write the numbers. So next, second, third, fourth sum also similarly. B question, mark the period using commas and write in words. So write the question first, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and put a comma over ones, tens, 100, comma, 1,000, 10,000, comma. Then read the number first, 3,45,678. Then you can start write using words. 3 THREE 3 lakhs 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 40 FORTY 40 5 FIVE 5,000 THOUSAND 1,000 6 SIS 600 HUNDRED 100 70 SEVENTY 70 8 EIGHT 8. Next C question. They given in words, we have to write in figures. First question, 3,48,602. So write the 3, 48, 608. Then read it once again, 3,48,602. So similarly, you have to complete in book also, in homework note also.
In exercise 1.1, we have a first A Roman letter here. So look at the abacus and write the number. Okay, see here, first sum I draw here. So first you have to see the place value. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So we need to look at the abacus and write the number for this abacus. See here, in one place we have only one beats. So only one. In 10th place we have a 1, 2, 3. 3 tens. 100th place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 beats. 1000 place 1, 2. 2. And in the 10,000 place we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So look at children. What's the number is the answer for this? 4, 2, 6, 3, 1. So you can put the comma according to the place value. Ones, tens, 100, comma, 1000, 10,000. 42,631 is the abacus showing number. Next, coming to the B question. Mark the periods using comma and write the number in words. So they given one number here. We are going to mark the comma first. We know the place value system. Start from a ones place. Ones, tens, 100, comma, 1000, 10,000, comma. So now you read the number 4,37,005. No number in the tens place and the hundreds place. So for this we are going to write the number in words. So start write 4 in the place of a 4 lakhs. 4 lakhs 37,000. 7,005. So always start with a capital letter. So 4 lakhs 37,005 is the answer. So I hope that similarly we have in a book more sums are there, you have to complete. Coming to the C1, write in figures. They given in words, we are going to write in a figure. First you read the question. 47,924. So start write 47,924 is the answer. Coming to the D1, write in words. They given in a figures. We are going to write a words for that. First you read the question. 3,47,118. You start write it 3 lakhs. Next 47,000. Next 118. Next coming to the E1. Give the standard numeral. They given in a expanded form. You are going to write in a standard form. First you write a 8 lakhs plus 110,000 plus 3,000 plus 700. So usually we have to write the short form for a number. Start from the ones place onwards. That only we can easily get our answer. See the ones place number. Is it ones place number is there? No. It is a hundreds only is there. So ones place number you can put a 0. Next tens. Any tens number is there? No. You can put a 0. Next hundreds place. 700s are there. You can put a 700s. Next thousands. We have a 3,000. Next 110,000. That is 10,000 place value. Next 8 lakhs. So easily you can get the shortest form. Because when we are starting from a ones place onwards. If you start right from a first number onwards, you can make a mistake. There is a possibility to get a mistake. So you can start from a ones place onwards. Then you can see that answers, say the answer, check with their answers. F1, write the expanded form. So they given a number with a box in your page number, book page number 11. Take your book page number 11 and you can complete the sum. I will do one sum. You can do the another sum also. Okay, see here number 4 in the place of ones. So you have to write in the ones place 4. Next in the tens place we have a 1. 1 is nothing but a 1 0 10 because it is the place of a 10. Next is 0. 0 it may be in the 10 either place value of a 10 or a 100,000. We have to write the 0. So no value for the place value. Then 8. 8 in the place of a 8,000. Next 5 in the place of a 50,000. I think you will understand the sum, I think. Exercise 1.1 will complete it now. We'll go to the exercise 1.2.
In book page number 12, mental math sums will be there. You have to write in a book itself. So, first question, circle the number in which the digit 9 has in the place of value of 900. So, look at the question first. Read the question. See the place value of the 9. If it is 900, we have to put a circle. First question, 2795. So, 9 in the place of tens. Next question, 9542. 9 in the place of 1000. Next, third question, 11937. 9 in the place of hundreds. So, you can put a circle. Next, fourth question, 91,317. 9 in the place of 10,000. So, no need to put a circle. Next, fifth question, 39,171. So, 9 in the place of 1,000. Next, sixth question, 64,819. 9 in the place of ones. Next, seventh question, 1,23,941. So, 9 in the place of 100. You can put a circle here. Eighth question, 3,29,145. 9 in the place of 1,000. Now, children, first Roman letter over. Second B question, study the number 7,83,425 and write the digits that in. So, first question, hundreds place. Hundreds place, what number is here? 4. Next, lakhs place. We have lakhs place 7. Tens place. In tens place, we have 2. Ones place. In ones place, we have 5. Thousands place. In thousands place, we have 3. 10,000 place, we have 8. So, we finish the B question. Coming to the C question. Write the number 100 more than the 3,752. So, in 100 place, we need to add one more 100. 700 is there, we need to add one more 100, 800. So, the answer will be 3,852. B question, 100 more than 4,086. So, in hundreds place, we have 0. So, we need to add one more 1. So, 4,186 is the answer. Next is C, third question. 1,000 more than the 8,652. Here already 8,000 is there. We need to add one more 1,000, 9,000. So, the answer will be 9,652. Next, fourth question. 1,000 more than the 21,437. So, 1,000 place 1 is there. We have to add one more 1,000. So, 22,437 is the answer.
The first unit is second exercise. Exercise 1.2, page number 13. All of you take your page number 13, dear. And let me explain the first two sums. Remaining sums you can write. Similarly, like this. So, first one is A1. Fill in the place value. See here, first number is 17,362. So, which number was circled here? 6. 6, we are going to write the place as well as the place value. What's the place of the 6 is? Tens. And 6 in the place value is 6 tens. Coming to the second one, 2,130. So, 0 was circled here. 0 in the place of ones. And we know that 0 has no place value. We have to write only 0. Coming to the B question,
Write the digit that has the greatest place. Which number has the greatest place here? We have a 26,473. 2. The first number is 2. 2 in the place of greatest value, that is 2 10,000. Next one is 5,432. Which number is the highest place here? 5. 5 in the place of 1,000. Coming to the C1. Write the digit that has the least place value. So we know that which one is the least one? The ones place number. Correct. The ones place number here it is 7. And here it is 0. Similarly, children, some of the sums are there. You have to complete the book, page number 13. See the D equation. Build the number that has. Look at the question, children. 3, 10,000, 1,000, 700s, 9 tens and 8 ones. So children, usually, so when we are writing the short form of the number, I said that you can start from ones place onwards. It is very easy for you to write the answer. So start with the ones place. Ones place number here we have 8. Next 10 is 9 tens are there. Next is 700s. Next 1,000. Next 3 10,000. So you can check with your answer. 3 10,000. 3 10,000. 1,700. 9 tens. 8 ones. So 31,798 is our answer. Coming to the equation, find the sum of the place value of a 6. Here you can underline the place value of a 6. 6 in the ones place, 6 in the thousands place. They are asking us to find it out the sum. So 6,000 is the biggest number, plus we are going to add with the ones place number. So answer will be 6,006. Understand, children? Coming to the F question. Find the difference of the place value of 8. They are asking us to find the difference. Nothing but a subtraction. So, which one is the place value of 8 here? 8 in the thousand place, 8 in the tens place. You write 8,000 minus 80. What will be the answer? You don't know that? You can write in the rough column and you can do the subtraction. 8,000 minus 80. Do the subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0. So 0 minus 8 we can't do. You can take a borrow from here and you can take a borrow from here. So this has become 7, 9 and it has become 10. 10 minus 8, 2. Then 9, 7. What will be the answer? 7,920. So understand, children? Similarly, one more sum is there. You can do it by yourself. Next one is G. Observe the pattern and fill in. So see the pattern over here. 20116, 20136, 20156. So look at the pattern, children. 20,116, 20,136, 20,156. Where is the changes over here? You see 1, the tens place number, then 3, then 5. So we are going to change the tens place number here. You can identify the places where we are going to do the changes. So 20,100, nothing changes. So in the tens place only 1, after 3, after 5. So this is an odd number they are going to add. So we need to do the odd number. Next odd number is 7, 76. Next 20,196. Good. Coming to the H. Answer the following. How many thousands are there in 15,678? So they are asking us how many thousands are there. See the thousands place. Where is the thousands place? Here. We have a 5,000. So 5,000s are there. Next, how many tens are there in 31,284? How many tens are there? 8 tens are there. Okay. Next, how many lakhs are there in 4,83,569? We have a 4 lakhs.
So children, we completed the 1.2 exercise now. We started the first unit place value system with the warm-up section, and we completed the 1.1 exercise and 1.2 exercise. You have to copy that 1.1 and 1.2 exercise in our classwork notes. So children, today's section is over. We'll see in the next section. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you children.